Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve which is larger, square root of 2 or cube root of 3. So let's start with the today's video solution. So square root of 2 we can write it as 2 power 1 by 2 and cube root of 3 we can write it as 3 power 1 by 3. Now I am going to take LCM of these powers denominator. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 power 1 by 2. To make it 6, I have to multiply with 3. And here, to make it 6, I have to multiply with 2. So it becomes 2 power 3 by 6. And here, 3 power 2 by 6. So 2 power 3 times 1 by 6 and here 3 power 2 times 1 by 6. So 2 cube is 8 power 1 by 6 and here 3 square is 9 power 1 by 6. Now if the powers are same, now we can compare it with their bases. So as we can see 9 power 1 by 6 is greater. So cube root of 3 is greater, is larger than square root of 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.